You don't need a big ad budget to get more cleaning clients. Most of the time, you don't even need new leads. You just need to do more with the ones you already have. Here's the truth. The cleaning businesses that grow consistently don't always spend more. They follow up better. That's the key. At Webby, we built a system that helps you get more clients using automation, not ads. It runs on Go High Level, a platform designed to help service businesses handle leads, follow-ups, bookings, and reviews, all without lifting a finger. Here's what makes it work. Every lead gets an instant reply, missed leads get followed up with automatically, cold leads get reactivated weeks later, happy clients get asked for reviews and referrals. On autopilot, no ads, no cold calling, no paid traffic, just a smarter system that runs behind the scenes and helps you close the clients already within reach. If you want to get more cleaning clients without spending on ads, click the link in the description and get access to the Web IE system built on Go High Level.